India's national bird is peacock. Japan's national bird is green pheasant. Bangladesh national bird is magpie robin. Pakistan's national bird is chakar. Iran's national bird is nightingale. Saudi Arabian national bird is falcon. Iraq's national bird is chakar. Egypt's national bird is steppe eagle. Turkish national bird is redwing. Greece's national bird is little owl. Italy's national bird is Italian sparrow. Romania's national bird is white pelican. Ukraine's national bird is white stork. Poland's national bird is white-tailed eagle. Belarus' national bird is white stork. Germany's national bird is federal eagle. France's national bird is Gallic rooster. Spain's national bird is imperial eagle. Finland's national bird is Hooper swan. Sweden's national bird is blackbird. United Kingdom's national bird is robin. Netherlands' national bird is godwit. Switzerland's national bird is turrico. Portugal's national bird is Barcelos rooster. Morocco's national bird is Musier's redstart. Algeria's national bird is chakar. Nigeria's national bird is black-crowned crane. Libya's national bird is Arabian eagle. Ethiopia's national bird is Stresemann's bushcrow. Kenya's national bird is lilac-breasted roller. Senegal's national bird is African spoonbill. Ghana's national bird is tawny eagle. Somalia's national bird is superb starling. Vietnam's national bird is tiger shrike. Myanmar's national bird is gray peacock. Thailand's national bird is Siamese fireback. Malaysia's national bird is rhinoceros hornbill. Indonesian national bird is Javan hawk eagle. Australia's national bird is emu. Philippines' national bird is Philippine eagle. South Korea's national bird magpie. China's national bird is red-crowned crane. Nepal's national bird is Himalayan monal. Russia's national bird is eagle. Afghanistan's national bird is golden eagle. Brazil's national bird is rufous-bellied thrush. United States' national bird is bald eagle. Argentina's national bird is Rufus hornero. Please subscribe the channel and follow the Facebook page. Thanks for watching the full video.